people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video from Cotton Street. So I went to Cotton Street on Saturday, so it was really rushed there. And speaking about Cotton Street, it is also called as Pantheon Road and it is in Egmore. So they basically sell all the cotton materials, ready-made dresses and also shirts, and so I'll be mentioning the price down in the description box so that you can go visit and bargain. So first of all, you have to bargain a lot. You are going to College Road, please do bargain from them, because like in one or two go try, they will just come down to the price you want, or else if they stick on to the price they are quoting and you have to buy them. So yeah, let's jump into the video. So the first clothing item I bought is this top, which is a kurti top. It's a simple turquoise color kurti top and I bought this to wear it for college, and it is half sleeve. So the price of the top was 300 rupees and I bargained and I got this for 200 rupees, guys. So speaking about the bargaining, you have to bargain there because they quote like way higher for the product. So you have to like bargain for 2 to 3 times so that they'll come up to your price, or else if they are sticking to their price and you have to buy them for the price they are telling if they are not coming down. I really like the color. This is such a vibrant color, and I paired it up with the palazzo pant and with the black t-shirt in it, full-on t-shirt in it. I really like the kurti, but one thing I don't like is the sleeve is really loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the sleeve and use it as a sleeveless with the black full-on top in it. So yeah, I really like the kurti, but the one thing is the kurti is really loose. So the next clothing item I bought is this top. This top, it is not a full top, it comes below your knee, but for me it comes till my ankle. That is a light for a short girl. So this has a collar neck, and also it has embellishments and details like chunky and mirror. It gives me quirky vibes, and also it has a tassel attached to the waistline, and yeah, it also has mini pom-poms in the end of the top. Yeah, so they quoted this for 650 rupees and I bought this for 500 rupees. I felt this was quite expensive, but for the material I could give 500 rupees because this material is so thick and so much cozy. And so guys, this is the second top. I really like the detailing of my neck. It's so chunky. I really like this tassel thing which is under my waist. So what you can do is it is not really loose for me. I really like the fit, but what I could do is I can just make it really fit for me by either doing this thing or just tying it up normally. Just tying it up normally. So I really like this top. So the third clothing item I bought is this. This is not a ready-made item, it is a material. So this is the material. It is kind of a semi-cotton, I guess. It is really soft, guys. I really like this material, and it has like it is like a navy blue with like pastel pink, no, like half white colored half white colored flowers to it. I really like the design and also the color and also the material. This is so nice. So he quoted the shopkeeper quoted this item for 1 meter for 140 rupees, and I got this 2.5 meter for 300 rupees. That is 1 meter for 120 rupees, I guess. Yeah. So the fourth clothing item I got is also a material. It is a salwar material or a suit, I would say. So the top is kind of a thick material, but I really like the print and the color. It is kind of a violet or purple mixed, purple suit with a violet print on it, and it also has a shawl and also a pant, white pant material. The pant material is really good, but the top material is really thick, but I'm okay with it. Because I really like the print. So that's all for the clothing item I bought from Cotton Street. It was really rush when I went on Saturday, so I recommend you to go on weekdays. I went like 2 to 3 times over there, and I bought like jeans and western tops from them. So yeah, this time I got my hands on to ethnic wear, because I'm running out of ethnic wear. Yes guys, so that's it for the video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button down below to notify whenever I post a new video. And also follow me on all social media, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel and share my channel to all your friends and family, so that it means a lot to me. And thank you guys. Bye bye.